I don't understand why the dirty sodas of Utah are so weird. Like, I understand, but okay, I kind of understand why they're there because it's very clear that they're like a replacement for coffee, since a lot of people in Utah are Mormon and Mormons can't drink coffee. So I understand why they might seem weird, but really, I don't think it's that weird. Like, it really just doesn't seem that bizarre to me. Like, have you never gone to a gas station of some kind and gotten a fountain drink and then like mixed the fountain drinks together? It just seems like all the syrups and that just seem like another version of that. Like when you mix the fountain drinks. I don't get why people talk about them a lot. Anyways, B110 out.